All right, so we've made good progress now. We're actually getting close to the bottom section of this and not too many more steps left to go. If we kind of walk through, we've got our introduction, context, we've got some learning intentions, we've got some instructions, we've got some kind of cognitive pre-questions and things like that that we want to do to help them with their thinking, but we still have some issues left. First of all, the thing that draws my attention is this link is really ugly and it bothers me. The second thing is there really isn't instructions on how to do the assignment part of it, which is to answer these questions. So let's take a look at how we might address those things. If we come down here to the next improvements that we've done really kind of three things, and let's take care of them step by step. So after our cognitive questions that we added in the previous section, I'm going to, instead of having that long link, I've basically just typed in the name of the video, and then I've gone in here and put this insert link button, which allows me to paste the link in here, and that allows us to go directly to the video that way. So instead of having all that URL, it's just pretty, and that's better. So that's step one. So that's a little bit visually more appealing. And now we need some instructions on what to do for the assignment. And one of the problems with the assignment as it stood in the previous version was that the questions were all at the bottom. So if the students type them in there, then I'm going to get that whole top part and the questions, and there wasn't really enough space, so it's going to start to fade over into 2 pages. So I want to break that assignment portion off into a separate document. If you're watching the YouTube version, I've put the link to that document down below in the comments. If you're doing this in the Learning Management System version, then you've already opened up this video so you can refer to it as we're talking here. So basically what I've done is I've said, now that we've watched the video, let's get started on the assignment. To begin, click on the link below. So this link goes to this assignment version where I've pasted the questions in version 1. So now we're separated basically the one document into 2. This is where they're going to do their work that they're going to submit to me as the teacher. Make a copy. This will prompt them to make a copy of the document. Then follow the instructions on the document. So I'm basically transferring the workload for this written part to this other document. And we'll take a look at that because we have some work still to do on that coming up. But then down the bottom here, the students are going to say, okay, like, what do I do next after that? I've got here, when you finish the worksheet above, you're done. Good work today. I look forward to reading your answers because I want them to realize and think, yeah, I am actually going to read these things that you write. See you tomorrow. We're going to start learning how to build web pages. So it's kind of preloading some of the things of what are coming up next, kind of giving an optimistic closure to the assignment. Good job, good work, assuming they're getting it done. A little bit of encouragement. Again, kind of just tossing in a little bit of teacher presence so that when they get there, they're like, oh, okay, I get what the expectations are, kind of thing. So that's the next 3 things to do. Let's go to the sample distance learning assignment here. And again, you want to replace that link in the video using the link option right here. Kind of add some instructions. For the sake of this tutorial, I guess I wouldn't suggest creating a separate document. If you're working on your own assignment, of course, you might want to do that. For now, you could just kind of continue on and putting it all in one longer document with the idea that it might make sense to break it up into 2 in real life. But for the sake of moving through the tutorial in kind of a quick fashion, I would just say, yeah, just do it all in one document. But then put some instructions on what you want to do if you were to kind of get to that stage. So once you've done that, let's drive on to the next video. We're getting close to the end. Good work, everybody. Keep it up, and let's keep on driving on.